What's the meaning of boutique? Boutique. Boutique.
Boutique. Boutique. Boutique refers to a small shop or store that sells fashionable and stylish items like clothing, jewelry, handbags, and other accessories. The term often implies a special attention to detail, a unique selection of products, and a high level of customer service. Boutique stores are typically owned and operated by independent or small-scale businesses rather than large corporate chains. They are known for offering personalized shopping experiences and often showcase one-of-a-kind or limited edition items. The word boutique can also be used to describe a hotel, firm, or business that specializes in a particular area or offers a distinctive service.